All right, and we're continuing on with example 3 in chapter 4.6, and we're multiplying fractions, and there's lots of ways you can do it as long as you show me all your work and have it come on down. So example 3 on page 312 in the book is 2/7, and let me change the color, times negative 3/8. So we're going to deal with the fractions, and we're also going to be dealing with the negative rules because there's a negative. And so we're multiplying across. Well, it is saying that you can multiply across, so we can go 2 times 3 is 6, and 7 times 8 is 56. And then we have a negative, so it's a negative. And now we have to pull out common denominator factors, so we can pull out a 2, and so 2 over 2 is really dividing by 1, so it would be 3 over 28, and it's negative. And you need to check that to make sure that 3 over 28 is in simplest form. So does 2 go into both? No. Does 3 go into both? No. Does the numerator go into the denominator evenly? No. And it's a proper, so the GCF is 1. But they're also saying you can cross simplify. So if you want to take this step, go ahead. So 2/7 minus times 3/8. And so we can look across, and we can cross simplify in the very beginning instead of the last step, like down below here. Okay? And so we can take a factor of 2 and here, and that gives you a 1. We can take a factor at an 8 of 2, and we get 4. And we can't double cross, but we can now simplify 1/7 minus 3/4, and we can multiply across now here, and we get 1 times 3 is 3. 7 times 4 is 28, and there's 1 negative, so don't forget that because there's lots of steps, and we already know it's simplified because 2 doesn't go into both numerator and denominator, 3 doesn't, and nor does the numerator, so the GCF is 1. You are done. So either way you want to do it, you can cross simplify in the beginning, so you have less simplifying in the end, or you can simplify it at the end, however you choose to do that. Thank you. Bye-bye.